How much time do you think you spend on your devices each day? Take a guess. Now, prepare to be surprised as we reveal some eye-opening statistics about screen time. Welcome to Modern Minimalism, where we explore mindful living in a digital world. Today, we're diving into the concept of mindful consumption and why it's crucial in today's digital age. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: excessive screen time. While technology offers incredible benefits, overindulgence can have serious consequences on our well-being. Excessive screen time has been linked to increased stress, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. It can also hinder productivity, creativity, and meaningful interactions with loved ones. Many of us find ourselves constantly checking our phones or mindlessly scrolling through social media, leading to a cycle of distraction and disconnection. So, how can we break free from this digital trap and cultivate a more mindful relationship with technology? Stay tuned as we explore how, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help this video spread out to more minimalists out there. Tip 1. Set boundaries. Establish designated tech-free zones or times during the day, such as meal times or before bedtime, to disconnect and recharge. Tip 2. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and engage fully in activities without distractions. Mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing can help center your attention. Tip 3. Find offline activities. Rediscover the joy of offline hobbies like reading, gardening, or spending quality time with loved ones. Diversifying your activities reduces reliance on screens. Tip 4. Use digital well-being tools. Many devices now offer features to track screen time, set app limits, and schedule do not disturb modes. Take advantage of these tools to regain control. Tip 5. Declutter digital spaces. Just as we declutter physical spaces, organize and declutter your digital life. Delete unused apps, unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, and curate a more intentional online experience. My next video elaborates very well on this. Stay to the end to watch it for more insights on digital minimalism. Tip 6. Establish a tech-free bedtime routine. Limit screen exposure before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Read a book, practice gentle stretches, or listen to calming music instead. Tip 7. Practice mindful eating. Avoid multitasking with screens during meals. Focus on savoring each bite, engaging your senses, and enjoying the nourishment. You've managed to make it this far? Hit that like and subscribe button for more minimalist content like this. Tip 8. Plan screen-free family time. Create opportunities for quality interactions with family and friends without digital distractions. Play games, have meaningful conversations, or explore nature together. Tip 9. Prioritize self-care. Allocate time for self-care activities that recharge you mentally and physically, such as exercise, journaling, or creative pursuits. Disconnecting from screens can boost well-being. Tip 10. Schedule digital detox weekends. Take regular breaks from screens by dedicating weekends to offline activities. Use this time to connect with nature, engage in hobbies, and nurture relationships. Adopting mindful consumption practices is not about giving up technology entirely, but rather finding a balance that enhances our lives. By setting boundaries, practicing mindfulness, engaging in offline activities, using digital well-being tools, decluttering digital spaces, establishing tech-free routines, prioritizing self-care, planning screen-free family time, and scheduling digital detox weekends, we can reclaim our time and focus on what truly matters. Share your journey towards mindful consumption in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living intentionally in a digital world. Remember, it's time to unplug and reconnect with what truly brings you joy. I'm sure you'll love this next video after watching